Introducing the Tiffany Harmony band ring, the perfect symbol of balance and elegance. Crafted meticulously in platinum, this 1.8mm wide band features round, brilliant diamonds set beautifully in a delicate bead setting, offering a subtle yet luxurious sparkle. Designed to nest flawlessly with the Tiffany Harmony engagement ring or stacked effortlessly with any ring, it's a timeless. With a total carat weight of 23, this ring is a testament to Tiffany & Co.'s dedication to quality and craftsmanship. Available now for $3,500.
So here's my morning hack. Start my day shining like a star with the Tiffany Harmony band ring in platinum with diamonds. Popping out at a sleek 1.8mm, it adds just the right touch of glamour before I even...
Hey, I have something special for you. Can you guess what it is?
Is it something shiny? Maybe a watch?
Not a watch. Think more elegant. It is crafted from platinum.
Platinum? And diamonds? Is it a ring?
Yes, it is the Tiffany Harmony band ring. It is perfect for stacking.
Wow!
I'm so mad. This ring is way too shiny.
Why is that a problem?
I can't even hide my snack crumbs.
Sounds like a real dilemma.
Seriously, I just wanted a normal snack time.
At least your snacks are now very stylish.